back to another live day trading episode with your boy Money Spence. In today's live day trading episode, we're going to be utilizing a 1-minute high-speed scalping strategy to make $600 or more. Without further ado, man, let's take a deep dive to this morning's episode, and make sure you like and subscribe to the Money Spence YouTube channel. All right, family, so you know how we got to do it. We got to start the day off with showing the gains. So for the month of December, I am currently at a $0, P&L. So as far as the economic cap, we have a few reports on our list today that's going to move the overall market. So we have PMI at 9:45 a.m. and we have manufacturing index at 10 a.m. and we have construction spending at 10 a.m. as well. Make sure you keep a close eye on your positions going into those news catalysts, because they're going to have an impact on our trading today. All right, family. So at the moment, the overall market is bearish. So everything is currently, selling off. So make sure you keep that in mind. First up on our list, IWM. So for IWM, we have a key support level at $245.47. Our pivot point is priced at $246.16. Our first level of resistance for IWM is priced at $246.89. SPY, we have a key support level at $677.75. Our pivot point is priced at $679.06, and our first level of resistance for SPY is priced at $680.52. The Qs, we have a key support level at $613.58. Our pivot point is priced at $615.23, and our first level of resistance that we can keep a close eye on, which is a volume profile zone, it's $616.49. Man, it's about to be showtime. Let's get it. Let's get this money, family. Let's go. It's about to be showtime. Make sure you all do me a favor. Click on that like button, family. The market, it's already down 196 points. You're about to experience some high intensity trading with your boy Money Spence, the one and only. One and only. Let's go, family. All right, so the first 1-minute candle of the day, it was bullish. Now let's see if we're going to hold our pivot point. We have a key pivot point price at $25,250.33. Keep a close eye on that level, family. It's about to be showtime. Let's get it. It is about to be showtime. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. Good morning, everyone who just joined us. All right, so we have a 1-minute bearish candle development, family. Should your boy Money Spence take action? I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait patiently. We're approaching support level number 1 at $26,230.41. Let's see what we're going to do down here at this price zone. Let's see what we are going to do. We're currently trading near the pivot point. Keep a close eye on that pivot point, priced at $25,250.33. All right, family.
Order filled.
To the plate right here with one contract. I'm currently short on the Nasdaq. If we break below support level number 1 at $25,230.41, I'll add a little bit more to my position. My stop loss is going to be at $25,285.91. I am currently down on my current position. We just bounced. So I kind of, rushed into that trade a little tad bit. I thought we were about to break below support level number 1, but we bounced in that area. So I'm glad I only started off with one contract instead of, sizing up and, going aggressively. If we break above this 1-minute candle right here, I'll stop out on my position. If we break above this level right here, I'll stop out. Man, because I thought we were about to continue to drop lower, but the buyers, they're starting to step in now, family.
Order filled.
On that long right here. Let's go. Come on. Oh, don't fake us out. So I lost about $107.61 on that trade. Let's see if we can get back towards the upside now. It's a little tricky going into the day, and the Nasdaq is already down, 200 points. Let's see if we can get some bullish momentum towards the upside. We have some buyers. They stepped in at 9:32 a.m. It's only 4 minutes into the trading day. Let's see if we can get some momentum towards the upside. We need to break above VWAP at $25,301.30. If we can break above that level, that would be good. Come on. We're having a difficult time breaking above VWAP. So my short position I was in, it's probably a good trade. We may come back down. Depends on how this 5-minute candle close, honestly. So we're trading near resistance level number 1 right now. I'm green on my current position. Let's go. Let's see if we can break above VWAP. If we break above VWAP, I'll add more to my current position. All right, beautiful. Let's go. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Add a little bit more if we break higher. Thinking about selling this trade pretty soon since we're not, getting that continuation move higher.
Order filled.
Go ahead and take those small profits. We might get a reversal in this zone right here. Use caution, family. Thinking about going short. Let me go to the 5-minute time frame. Let me check out the 5-minute time frame really quick. So we have a 5-minute bearish candle.
Order filled.
Get back in right here. I'm gonna go short right here, family.
Order filled.
Buy a little bit more right here. Let's go. If we break above $25,305.83, I may stop out on that position. On that short, I may stop out. Tricky price action at the moment. All right, so the bulls, they just step back in, family. Use caution. They just step back in. We're approaching resistance level number 2 now. Man, I really hate trading when the market, drops massively or pumps, massively in pre-market. It's always difficult, trading the open with these moves. It's always difficult, family. So use caution right now. We're about 7 minutes into the trading day. I'm already down about $103 to start the trading day off. I got faked out down here thinking we were going to continue to pull back, and then we bounced and started shooting up higher. We bounced near support level number 1. We may have a VWAP fade back towards the downside, but keep a close eye on $25,305.83. We have news coming out at 10 a.m. that's going to have an impact on the market. And we have news coming out in approximately 8 minutes. The bulls are stepping in once again. The bulls are stepping in once again. I should have held my long position.
Order filled.
All right, so I'm down about $230 for the day. All right, so I just got in long now. I just took a loss on that play. Kind of starting off the day on the wrong side, getting faked out. So the bulls, they stepped in at 9:32 a.m. to try to push this thing back up towards the previous day low. I'm currently long at the moment. Hopefully this long move will hold up. But every time I get in long, it starts pulling back. All right. None of these moves are holding. All right, so I'm currently green on my long. Let's see if we can capture $25,329.50. I'm down about $230 for the day so far. We may go up there to test that pre-market high. We already broke above 2 key resistance levels.
Order filled.
All right, so now I'm down $342 to start the day, family. Damn, I cannot get a break. Currently short now. Every time I go in one direction, that shit start reversing on me. All right, so we're starting to trade back below VWAP. All right, I'm currently short now.
Order
Holding
filled.
5 contracts. Let's go. Come on. Keep going. Let me share my other screen really quick. All right, so now I'm up about 100 on this play. I'm going to take profits pretty soon. Why the
Order
fuck my
filled.
play didn't take the profits? Damn. All right, so I just secured profits on that play. Now I'm only down about $139.64, family. All right, I'm going to pump the brakes a little bit because I'm starting to get faked out on some of these plays. Let's go back to the big screen really quick. I'm starting to faked out. I'll pump the brakes real quick. If we drop below $25,250.33, I'll go back in short. We have news coming out in approximately 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Come on. What you gonna do? Keep a close eye on $25,230.41 for the Qs. I'm thinking about testing out another short right here, but last time I got in short down here in this price zone, I got faked out right here on this candle right here. Now, if we drop below this candle, I'll go back in short. All right, let me
Order
get back in right
filled.
here. Let's go.
Order filled.
2 more contracts. Holding 2 contracts at the moment. Let's go. Come on, keep going lower. All right, beautiful. All right,
Order
let me buy
filled.
5 contracts right here. Holding 5 contracts short towards the downside. Hopefully, we do not get a reversal in this zone. Hopefully, your boy Money Spence do not get faked out in this zone right here. Let's go. Holding 5 contracts towards the downside. Damn. Down once again. We just bounced in that area once again, family. Down 100 and some change on that play. Shit is not holding up. We are not holding up in those short zones. Down 200 and some change. Let's see if we can come back down now. We need to break back below $25,230.61. The bulls, they stepped in at 9:40 a.m. My current average cost is $25,234.35. I'll turn green once we get back below that level. Let's go. And I'll probably add, I'm thinking about adding 5 more contracts. I might size it up a little bit, but I want to turn, green first before I size it up. Come on. We need this thing to drop back low. We have news coming out in approximately 3 minutes, family, so use caution. Hopefully we can get down here towards this $25,210 zone. That would be good if we can get back. All right, so my play is about to turn green, possibly. Get ready, family. It's about to be showtime. Get ready. It's possibly about to be showtime. Hopefully this move do not bounce back up towards the upside. Use caution, family. If you got in short with me. Man, the P&L is moving fast as hell. All right, so now I'm only down about $10. All right, so I'm green now. Let's go. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. Let me take those
Order
props.
filled.
All right, just secure props, fam. Let me
Order
get back in
filled.
right here. Let's go. Keep your composure. Keep your composure if you're short with your boy Money Spence.
Order
Buy a little
filled.
bit more right here.
Order
Buy a little bit
filled.
more right here. Let's go. Holding 5 contracts short now. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Don't bounce on me. Keep going lower. There we go. Nice. Come on. All right, we have news coming out in 1 minute and 5 seconds. All right, we're starting to bounce. Come on. Keep going lower. Nice. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Keep going lower. Keep going low. I'm trying to get out of this position before this news is released, family. I'm trying to get out before this damn news is released. Oh, fuck. We're bouncing. I'm down 100 and some change. We are bouncing, family. Use caution. News coming out in 35 seconds. 30 seconds. I'm down 200 and some change. 100 and some change. So at one point today, I was down about, I think about $350. The news is about to come out in 15 seconds. Get ready, family. It's about to be showtime. The bulls, they're stepping in aggressively at 9:44 a.m. I'm down a nice sizable amount. Down 300 and some change. All right, the news is released. Let's go. Let's see if we can get that pullback back towards the downside. I'll add 5 more contracts if we start dropping, hard. I'll add 5 more. Oh, shit, the buyers, they're stepping in right now. Use caution. Use caution. I'm down 300 and some change. Use caution, family. We're trading below all of the key EMAs, the 20 EMA, the 50 EMA, and the 200 EMA. We should get a pullback, but we already pulled back massively in pre-market. So that's what's kind of, effing hour, trading up at the moment. I'm down 400 and some change, 500 and some change. Damn, the buyers, they're stepping in aggressively, family. Come on. Down close to 600. 700. Your boy Money Spence is down a nice sizable amount at the moment. Man, hopefully this thing, start coming back down. I got faked out at 9:43 a.m. Your boy got faked out down there in that price zone. Use caution, family. Hopefully we do not break back above VWAP. If we do, my position, it's going to be in trouble. I'm down 700 and some change. The bulls, they're stepping in aggressively on the 5-minute time frame. Come on, reject VWAP and come back down. I'm down 800 and some change. Yeah, I kind of messed this trade up today, family. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, family. Based on what I'm seeing right now, is not looking too good for your boy Money Spence. So I'm risking about $1,000 today. Down 800 and some change at the moment. Hopefully this thing will, start coming back down. 900 and some change. So your boy
Order
did not
filled.
stick to the plan today. So I just hit my max stop loss, family. So your boy is down $1,007.54 for the day. Let's go back to the big screen so we can have a general, understanding of what just happened and what just took place. All right, so if we go back to the chart, right, we started to pull back in this zone right here, and we started to pull back on the open, right? I got faked out 2 times so far. I was able to make some money on one play, but then the bulls, they stepped in at 9:44 a.m. And once the bulls stepped up, we started to, pump back towards the upside. and that was, danger, for my short position towards the downside. So my max loss today was at $1,000. Let's see if we can come back down, possibly. Let's see if we can come back down. Y'all may see me trade some options today, possibly. Y'all may see your boy Money Spence hop in some options since I'm already, down in my futures account. And we have news coming out in 10 minutes. News coming out in 10 minutes, family. Damn, we ain't have no chat messages today. Something going on with the chat. Let me see. Let me see if the chat working. Ain't nobody say good morning or nothing. What's going on, family? Oh yeah, the chat working. Teddy, what's good, family? Teddy, man, I'm doing okay today, man. I kind of, rushed into some of my trades. So I kind of, messed me up a little bit, man. Let me see. Minding my own business. Good morning, fam. James, testing. Let's go. Good morning. Stock up. Good morning, Edward. Good morning. Oh, there you go, family. I thought something was wrong with the chat. Good morning, everyone. Let me see. Good morning. Let me see. Jose said he just lost his combine on that same move. Man, yeah, family. So with the moves today, when we started to break below certain levels, we were not, holding. And then I was trying to, also front run the move as well and kind of, got burned. So I was trying to let me remove these levels since we already broke, below majority of them. But we were honestly supposed to fade, VWAP today. So we probably should have got in short somewhere around like 9:38 a.m. We rushed into our first short trade, early on, and that's what, cost us. And I'm not, feeling too down about it. It happens. It comes with the game, It comes with the game, and that's where, patience, comes in that, family. We got to be, a little bit more patient with some of our, positions, especially in these days when the market, pulls back, massively. I thought I had the perfect game plan coming into the trading day, and then it backfired. All right, resistance. All right, so we have resistance at $25,331.25. Everybody is currently locked in. Let's go. Let me see. Teddy said, any comment on XRP, SPX 6900? Let me see. Giorgio Nice said, same small loss to a giant. Yeah, that was definitely, a small loss. I ain't worrying about it, too much, family. It comes with the game. It comes with, running a day trading business on a daily basis. So it ain't nothing, family. It comes with the game. Let me see. So stock up said he's long. And yeah, Jose, everything was definitely in place for, a bearish move. The bearish move, it just didn't, hold up. All right, so we're starting to get some rejections right here at 9:52 a.m. We have news coming out in 7 minutes. So get ready, family. Get ready. And I had a feeling that we were going to bounce, but I'm like, man, as soon as I see, a bearish candle, pop up on the screen, I'm going to go short. And this bearish candle right here, fake me out. Boom. Buyers come in right here. Then we start trending up towards the upside right here, 938. But honestly, our short position, if we was patient, we should have got in short around 9:38 a.m. and then sold down here at 9:43 a.m. Yep, that's where we should have got, short at. We were, trying to rush into the trade, but we got to remember, if the market already pulled back, massively in pre-market, 9 times out of 10, we might have a, bounce on the open, and that's what we're experiencing right now. We're experiencing that bounce on the open. Let me go to the 30-minute time frame really quick. Yeah, so we have 30 minutes of bullish pressure on the open. Now, eventually, sometime today, the market may possibly, come back down to these support levels. We're still moving higher. Bulls stepped in aggressively, family. They're trying to push this thing higher. Let me remove that resistance zone. I think our next resistance, it's at $25,350. And make sure you all follow the Money Spence Instagram page. Make sure you follow your boy Money Spence on Instagram, family. The Bulls, they're pushing this thing higher, family. They are pushing this thing higher. Does anybody have, any questions, or concerns at the moment? Let your boy know in the chat. The buyers, they stepped in aggressively at 9:44 a.m. and started to push that thing higher. We're still moving higher. So whoever got long right here at 9:44, man, great job, family. Great job. Let me see. G Nice said he just followed. Got you, G Nice. Got you, man. News coming out in 5 minutes. News coming out in 5 minutes. All right, family. So we're going to end this poll, and I am going to ask a new question. I want to see if you all want me to trade options today live. I usually don't trade options, but I'm going to mix it up today. You see, start a poll. All right, so I just created a new poll, family. Do you want your boy Money Spence to trade some options today, or do you want me to just trade futures? Let your boy know in the poll. All right, so family, we just had a rejection at 9:56 a.m. We have news coming out in approximately 3 minutes. So get ready. Get ready. Let me see. Edward said he was trading the Qs, but it was bouncing everywhere. Yeah, man, it was definitely bouncing everywhere. It bounced at 9:32 a.m. and then it bounced at 9:44 a.m. I thought I was about to make a nice sizable amount of money on this move towards the downside, but it faked me out, man. It faked us out. That's why in some cases on days like this, it's important to wait maybe the first, 15 minutes of the trading day to place a trade. News coming out in 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Get ready. All right, family. So I think I'm going to trade options today. Your boy Money Spence is going to trade some options today, family. So get ready. It's about to be showtime. I only have about $1,000 in my options account. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. And let's go to the QQQ chart really quick, family. Let's go to the QQQ chart. All right, family. So this is the Fidelity platform that I'm going to be trading the options on. Let's see what the market is going to give us. We are currently trading above all of our key EMAs on the 5-minute time frame. If we start dropping lower, I may focus on possibly the $613 puts towards the downside. All right, family. So we're starting to sell off a little tad bit. Get ready. Let's see what the market is going to give us. Get ready. And let me check out the option chain really quick. All right, we have 1 more minute before that news is released. All right, so here's the option chain right here. So far for the day, it seems like we have a lot of volume for the $615 calls and the $611 puts. But if you look on the right-hand side, the puts, they are green because the market pulled back, massively in pre-market. All right, so let me minimize that. Let's go back to the big screen really quick. Let's go back to the big screen. So for the Qs, we have a key support level at $612.52. We have a key intraday resistance level at $616.63. Let's say, for example, if we start, dropping towards the downside today, we might be able to focus on the $613 puts, the $614 puts, or the $615 puts, or the $616 puts. All right, family, that news is released. Let's go. Let's see how this 5-minute candle is going to react to that news. Let's see how that 5-minute candle is going to react. Let me see. All right, so U.S. manufacturing, it came in at 48.2 versus 49.0 estimate. All right, let me see what puts I'm going to focus on. Let me see. Let's go back to the screen, family, and let's go back to the big screen because I don't want to jump in puts, too early and get smoked. I already got smoked in the futures account. All right, let's go back to the 5-minute chart really quick. Let's see if we can get a 5-minute bearish candle on our chart. And let's go to the Qs since we're trading QQQ options now. All right, so we have a key resistance level for the Qs at $617. Go back to the big screen chart. Let's see what the market is going to give us. We have a key resistance level at $616.63. Let's see what the market is going to give us. If this candle right here turns to a full body 5-minute bearish candle, I'll go short on the Qs and purchase some QQQ puts. But at the moment, it seems like, it's currently, holding up. So use caution. We have a key volume zone at $617.50. All right, so we're starting to pull back a little tad bit. If we break below this low right here, I may go short. I may go short. All right, so we're currently holding $615.76. We need to break below $615.59, family, before we, decide to go short. That's a key level for us at the moment. Key level for us at the moment. We're starting to pull back. All right. Thinking about sizing up now, family. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see what the market is going to give us. All right, so we're bouncing. I didn't purchase anything yet. We're bouncing at the moment. All right, let's see what the market is going to give us. I just purchased the $612 puts. Risky play, family. Risky play. Risky play. Use caution. This is a risky play. Use caution. All right, so we have that. Beautiful. All right, so I'm currently short at the moment. I'm currently short. Let's go. All right, family. So I'm holding my puts right now. Let me show you in real time. So I'm in these puts at the moment. The position is green. I'm holding the $612 puts. Let me minimize section smaller. Let's make this a little smaller. And let's bring it over here. All right, so my purchase price was $157 per contract. I'm down on the position at the moment. Let's go. All right, so it looked like the damn buyers are trying to step back in on the 5-minute time frame. I'm down $53.32. We're starting to pull back a little tad bit. I'm trying to figure out how much I want to risk on this play. Make sure you have your stop loss in place as well. I'm down $68.32 at the moment. And my options, they expire tomorrow. I'm not going to hold these puts until tomorrow. I'm down $73 at the moment. So we did have a 5-minute bearish candle at 10 a.m. Hopefully we don't break back above this 10 a.m. Candle. If we do, that's going to be danger for our short position. Down $78.32. $98. Let's move this over here. Let's move that right there. All right, we have a 5-minute bullish candle developing on the chart for the Qs. We have a key volume profile zone right here at $617.49. The buyers, they're stepping in a little bit more, family. I'm down $118 on my current position. Let's go back to our EMAs. So we have a 5-minute bearish candle developing. Why is this candle different from the other candle? Oh, this platform is taking too long to load up. Okay. All right, there we go. All right, family. So I'm currently down on my current, puts. I'm holding the $612 puts. It's a risky play. Wanted to try something different today. Show you all that I know how to trade, options as well. But at the moment, I'm currently down on my current position. We're holding above all of the key, EMAs. So I'm actually, front running this play. And the primary reason I decided to purchase the $612 puts, we had a bounce today at $612.52. So I'm kind of banking on us, dropping back down towards that price zone. And then I'll probably, try to secure some profits down there. But based on what I'm seeing right now, the buyers, they are trying to, step in on the 5-minute time frame. They're trying to step in on the 5-minute time frame. We have a 5-minute bearish candle developing at the moment. Let's see if we can, make about 50, 100 bucks on these puts. All right, so we're starting to pull back. Now I'm only down $38, $53. Come on, pull back for us. Let me see. James said I haven't done options in a long time. Yeah, man. You know what's crazy? I haven't done options in a long time. You don't need it. Besides that, Nvidia, traded. I had traded about a week or two ago. But man, trading these damn options, they can be a little tricky sometimes. They can be a little tricky. But let's see if we can make some money, from them. Let's see if we can make some money today. Hopefully this thing doesn't, trend up towards $617. If they do, I'm gonna be like, damn, bro, you shouldn't have been trading, options. That's not even your, your bread and butter. My bread and butter, it's usually, futures, but wanted to try something different out and new today. All right, so let me see. We're down 83 bucks at the moment. We need to get back below $615.70. We need to get back below that level. And I'm not really seeing any strong 5-minute bearish candles. So I don't know, family. The market may possibly continue to, trend up today. It may try to, recover from the sell-off that took place in pre-market. Come on back down. There we go. Come on. We need to drop below $615.50 now for a continuation move lower. Let me set up an alert right there. That's going to be a key level for us. At one point, I was green on these puts. At one point, your boy Money Spence was green on these puts. Anybody else, holding puts or, calls at the moment? Or are you long on the Nasdaq? Buyers are stepping in once again. Down about 88 bucks at the moment. Let me see. James said flat. Got you, James. I felt like I waited too late to trade. Man, honestly, I wish we would have waited, kind of late to trade. Maybe the first 15 minutes of the day. Because we got fake. All right, so we just created a new intraday high. I'm down 100 and some change on my current, puts. Knew I should have been messing with these damn options. All right, so we just had a rejection at $616.85, down 138 bucks. I would like to see us test VWAP again today at $614.74. That would be good. So now I'm down about 83 bucks on these QQQ puts. We have a key resistance level at $616.85. Now I'm only down 78 bucks. All right, so let's see if we can start getting the move back towards the downside. We have a doji candle developing on our chart. So use caution, family. Doji candle developing on the chart. And good morning, everyone who just joined the Money Spence Day Trading Show. For the first 30 minutes of the day, we started off trading futures, and now we're trading options at the moment towards the downside. We need to drop below $615.50 for a strong confirmation. Let me see. Rashad said flat right now. Lost one FXA today. Man, Rashad, sorry to hear that, my brother. Man, the market got me today in the futures account as well for 1,000. But we ain't sweating it, man. We gonna get it back. Oh, damn, my position has just turned green, family. All right, so at one point I was down about $150 on these QQQ puts. Let's see if this position is going to turn green for us. If we drop below $615.50, we should, go up a nice sizable amount. Let's go. We're currently trading above all of the key, EMAs on the chart, but I'm still expecting, a pullback. If we can drop below these EMAs, that's going to be beautiful for our short position. And we have a key volume profile zone down here at $614.25. If we drop below that level today, that's going to be danger for the bulls. So I'm banking on us moving back towards the downside. I'm down $8 and some change. All right, so the puts, they're starting to turn green, family. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's see if we can start going lower. And I'll probably sell these puts around maybe $615 or $614.75 if we, drop back down towards that price level. Let me see. Oh, the buyer's trying to step back in. All right, so now I'm down $58.32 now after, being up a little small amount. We had a nice rejection at $616.85. Let's see if we can start coming back down. Rashad said he's flat right now, lost one XFA, but I'm up 319 in another. Great job, Rashad. Great job, my brother. Great job. Yeah, I lost 1,000 today in my futures account, but we'll get it back sometime this week. Ain't no pressure, family. We'll get it back. And that account, I was up about, I think, 600 bucks. So now in that account, I'm only down about 300 bucks so far. Let's see if these bears want to take over and start dropping this thing back towards the downside. Come on. We have all of these indecision candles developing on the chart. We're not getting that strong confirmation yet. We're not getting that strong confirmation yet. I'm down $58.32. I'm still holding my QQQ puts. Banking on a move towards the downside. Let me see. Edward said, I find it harder to trade after 45 minutes after market open, probably because I'm fairly new. Yeah, it's definitely, it can be difficult, trading after the first, hour of the trading day, because that's usually when majority of the major, moves happen. But in some, instances like today, for example, we might get a, pull back towards the downside sometime today. Hopefully we can get it, in the next 12, minutes, so you all can see me turn green on these puts that I'm holding. Yeah, that would be nice. But we're holding this $615.50 level for dear life at the moment. That's a key, support level for us. Down $118 now. And this 5-minute candle, it's about to close in approximately 45 seconds. It's going to close in approximately 45 seconds. Hmm. 20 seconds. We're currently trading QQQ. Wish this thing start pulling back, man. It's taking too damn long, family. It is taking too long. All right, so we have a 5-minute bearish candle developing on our chart. Let's see what we're going to get. We need to drop below the previous 5-minute candle. If we do, family, we might start making some money short towards the downside. All right, the Qs, they're currently trading at $615.95. Let's see if we can drop below $615.50. If we do, our position will turn green. Let's go. Let's go. QQQ puts towards the downside. That's what your boy Money Spence is holding right now. And man, trading, it's all about patience, family. We got to be patient. And I would honestly like to get out of this move by 10:30, a.m. Yeah, I would like to get out of this trade by 10:30 a.m., family. I don't want to hold on to it, all day. Because with options, time delay will affect you. All right, family. So get ready. We might start making some money. Let me see. James said ES is trying to move down. Great. If ES start moving down, the Qs should start moving down. All right, so I'm green on my position, and I just turned red that fast. I just turned red that fast. Come on. QQQ drop towards the downside for us. All right, so the 5-minute bears are stepping in right now, family. I'm green on my position. I'm up $11.68. I'm holding 5 puts at the moment. Oh, let's go. Up some gas money, $36, $46. Let's go. Come on, keep dropping. All right, family. So we have VWAP on our chart at $614.89. I may take some profits right there, possibly. I may possibly take some profits right there, but if we drop below that level, I don't know, family. I might just let it ride out. But it depends how the candlesticks, act around that price zone. But we do have a 5-minute bearish candle developing on our chart, and we're trading near the EMAs. We're trading near the 200 EMA on the 5-minute time frame and the 150 EMA on the 5-minute time frame. So I'm up a small amount. I can buy me some lunch money. I say I can buy me some lunch money, but I can buy me some lunch with the profits that I'm up so far right now. I was just up about 46 bucks. If I can make $100 off this play, I'll be happy with that. All right, so I'm up $26 at the moment. Let's go. Let's go. So we did test $615.50. Now we need to drop below $615.41. Once we lose that level, the next level that we'll need to drop below is $615. All right, so I'm up $31.68, $21 and some change. Let's go. We're currently playing the Qs puts towards the downside. Let's go. Profits in real time. And this 5-minute candle is going to close in approximately 1 minute and 45 seconds. 1 minute and 45 seconds. And let me set up an alert for us, family, on my other screen. Let me set up an alert for us. I want us to drop below, let me see, 614.40. Yeah, let's see if we can drop below that level. No, 615.40. Yeah, we need to drop below 615.41. I'll set up an alert right there. If you hear that Alert go off, that means, our position for the Qs, it's starting to work out. It's starting to work out. So I'm down. Up. Let me take that back. I'm up $11.68. Let's go. $21.16. So the profits, they're starting to increase, slowly but surely. And we just need to let the play work out, family. We don't need to panic or nothing. We're professionals. Just let the trade work out in our favor. That's all we need. So I'm up a small amount. I would like to see if we can get back towards that $614 price zone. Up 36 bucks. Let's go. Come on. Keep on going lower. So based on what I'm saying right now, this 5-minute candle is going to probably close in about 25 more seconds, and it should close bearish towards the downside. It should close bearish towards the downside. All right. So the bears, they are in charge now, family. The bears are in charge. We just engulfed the previous 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the previous 5, candlesticks. So hopefully this candlestick will be the candlestick that we need to trend towards the downside. And I would like to take profits around, oh my God, nice. Now I'm up $76. Let's go. $81. Come on, keep going lower. 91, 100 and some change. Damn. Beautiful. This is beautiful, family. I forgot how to take, profits when I'm trading options. Damn. Shit, the damn move happened so fast, I couldn't take my profits. All right, let me go here and let me pull up this screen. All right. So, damn, family, I wanted to take some profits at $614.93, but that shit bounced so damn fast on me. Damn. Let me see. Sell to close. I'm holding 5 contracts. I was just up 100 and some change on that play, family. Let's see if we can, trim back down. Once we trim back down, I'll take some profits right there. Let's see if we can get a nice 3-bar, 5-minute, bearish play. See if we can get a nice 3-bar play. Come on. And damn, man. I'm a little pissed about that, family. I didn't have my selling target in place. So I reached the profit target that I was banking on, which was about, 100 and some change. It wasn't a lot, but the move, it bounced so damn fast. I didn't, take profits at a fast rate. The move bounced so fast. And what price did we bounce off of? We bounced off of $614.93. So I wanted to sell around $615. That was my, selling price point. All right, let's see if we can get back down there. If we do, I'll take profits around $615. But I would love to see us drop below $614.85. If we do, that's a strong confirmation towards the downside. A little disappointed in myself. All right, so I'm still green on my play, so it's not too bad. We have a key volume profile zone down here at $614.25. If we can get down there, I'll sell my puts in this price zone right here. That's where I'll sell my QQQ puts. All right, so I'm up $51.68. So I'm starting to work out a little tad bit. Let's see if we can start, trending back down towards our take profit zone. Our take profit was around $615, family. So get ready to take some profits, man, and make some money with your boy, Money Spence. Let's go. All right, so I'm back up 50 bucks. It's not a lot. I want to see if we're going to drop below $615. That's going to be my key target for us. How you doing, my brother? That's going to be our key target to take some profits, family. Come on back down. And we might possibly get that sell-off after 10:30 a.m. It's a possibility. We might get that sell-off. Based on what I'm seeing right now, it's a possibility that we might, pull back after 10:30. But it's not always guaranteed. It's only guaranteed, when it happens. We're just, using these candlesticks to identify, the story that the market is trying to tell us at that given time frame. All right, so I'm back up $36. Let's go. $41, $46. Come on, keep going lower. Keep going lower. I would love to see a nice sizable bearish candle just flush towards the downside. That's what I would love to see. All right, so I'm up $46, $61. All right, so if we're starting to pull back, family, if you didn't take profits last go around, if we reach $615 again, try to look to take some profits. But your boy Money Spence, I'm gonna probably hold on to this, maybe under $615 possibly. All right, so we're pulling back up $76 at the moment. Let's go. $86. Yes. Now I'm starting excited, family. 96. I'm starting to get a little excited. I would love to see us drop below $614.85. So, everyone can make some money. Whoever went, short with your boy Money Spence, man, I just want to see you all make some money as well. I'll feel really good about that. All right, so I'm up $56, $61. I think we're about to get that pullback, family. Based on what I'm seeing right now, it's a possibility that we're about to get it, So I'm currently holding the $615 puts towards the downside. I'm up a small amount. It's not a lot. I'm looking to get a 3-bar, bearish play. Come on, give it to us. Let's go. Up $81, $91, $96. Come on, give it to us. $100. Let's go. Give it to us. Give it to us. Come on. All right, so I'm about to get my sell order ready, possibly. Thinking about getting my sell order ready, family. I don't want to, be too damn greedy. Next thing you know, we don't make no damn money. So I'm gonna get my sell order ready. All right, let's go. Up 100 and some change. Let's go. Come on. Up $121. Beautiful. Let's go, family. Get ready to take some profits pretty soon. All right, I'm gonna take some profits right here. All right, so I just secured profits, family. I just secured profits for like 131 bucks. Just took some profits. So I hope everyone was able to make some money off that, QQQ short position towards the downside. So I usually don't trade options, but I think I'm going to start, probably trading options occasionally. This channel, it's primarily based off of futures trading and options trading. So make sure you all keep that in mind, family. So I'm out and I'm flat on all of my positions at the moment. I really appreciate, everyone for joining the Money Spence Day Trading Show. And man, we'll be back at it possibly tomorrow at 9:25 a.m. sharp. So I'll make some adjustments for the shows this week, and 9 times out of 10 we should have a show tomorrow. So make sure you all join the Money Spent Show if you want to make some money in real time. I'm out, family. Peace, and thank you for rocking with your boy once again, family. I really appreciate all of y'all.